I bet you don't know how Google has backdoor open in your Samsung. I have uncovered 5 hidden settings inside the Google menu that are compromising your privacy every single day. Number 4 is totally shocker. You should have turned off the day you got your phone. So let's seal the leaks right now. Number 1, personalization loophole. Go to settings, then tap on Google, open all services and select personalization using shared data. Turn off all the toggles. This prevents Google from letting third-party apps read your personal data to build a profile on you. Inside the same All Services menu, tap on Usage and Diagnostics. Toggle this off immediately. This stops your phone from constantly sending private activity logs and system data back to Google services. Number 3, Add Profile Exposure. Go back and tap on Ads. Select Delete Advertising ID. This wipes your unique tracking fingerprint, making it much harder for advertisers to follow your movements across different apps. Number 4, the proximity lead. Inside the Device and Sharing menu, select Device. Toggle off Scan for nearby devices. This prevents your phone from constantly broadcasting its presence to everything around you. Number 5, Hidden Web Activity. Tap on your profile, then manage your Google account. Under Data and Privacy, select Web and App Activity. Now you have 2 choices. If you want the total privacy, hit Turn Off and select Turn Off and Delete Activity to go completely off the grid. But if you still want Google to stay smart, set it to auto delete after 3 months. It's the perfect balance between convenience and security. Stop letting big tech own your data. Share this with every Samsung user you know to help them secure their device. And follow for more for Samsung security tips.